Hi everyone, this is PhD Natural Me, and this is Vlog from the Road, the Keto RV lifestyle. Stay tuned.
Okay, my battery died, so now we're back again. We always keep our hose in a bag so it's not dripping all over the place. Okay.
Michael, yeah, got everything gets thrown there on the floor.
It's usually neater than this. Whose fault? His fault. Your fault. He's upset. He'll get over it. You can't say that on there.
Oh.
This is the mess he left, so it's got to be reclaimed today.
Okay. Alright, clean. No, it doesn't.
I will take care of it.
You may choose another day to record?
Nope. This is what you have to go through. This is what you go through when somebody else do the work that you should be doing yourself.
That's usually dry.
Stick it in the hole, Mike.
See that? Those clips have to be on all the way around.
Hold on, no.
Okay.
Make sure that's in there so it doesn't come flying out at you. And if you're not used to seeing, whoop, well, there it is. Brown. It's brown fluids, liquids, mud black tank. So that's the handle. You pull the black handle first.
Turn it off, Mike.
Then you got to close the black.
I'm inside, Mike.
Wait a minute, aren't you going to push this? Oh, okay. Hold on, I'm going to pause. Now we're recording.
Well, this is the flush cycle from the toilet to the tank. You fill it up with extra water and push. They don't have water here, so we bring our own water.
Yeah.
5-gallon container.
You gonna put your foot on it?
And then you flush.
And then do it again.
When you have access to water outside to flush inside, we use a hose along with a long swivel tank wand, and it helps to clean the inside and the bottom of the RV black tank very, very well.
When you do this, you clean your tank out very well, and you can open the lid and have the vent on up there. Have the vent on and you won't have any smell.
Wasn't good drinking water.
That's good to know. We wouldn't use that for drinking now. All right.
I got that.
All clean.
No,
Whew.
you haven't done the gray tank yet.
Well, the toilet, the back black tank is clean. Now we just gotta empty the gray. Woo, woo. Did you see it come out clean? Well, you're supposed to be looking. That's how you made that mistake last time, because you weren't looking.
Okay, close the black. Open up the gray. That's it. Oh damn, good thing we did.
Yeah.
First time for trouble.
Pretty feet. Clean, gray water. It flushes your hose also. But this place actually has water. It's not potable water. But it'll clean your tube. Not potable, meaning don't drink it. That's it. And then you push it back close. Unhook. Hold that down, Michael.
You take that ball, take it this.
Never use potable water in your black tank hose. That's just gross.
Tell them this is what you use.
You
Keep
tell
it
them.
sanitized at all times. I use plenty of Lysol spray.
Okay, Michael. You can turn it off. Don't fling it.
Get your bag.
It's nasty.
Got this cap on.
Hot day. Not a good makeup day.
Oh, you son of a gun. Give me this word that might watch you.
Okay, that's it. I had to check to make sure this was recording. I missed the beginning part, I believe, of my son taking everything out. So this is the way we do it. Other people may have their different ways, and it's fine if it works for them. This works for us. So, see you a little later on the road. Bye for now. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.